Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial of how to shove your leg into the car's exhaust pipe and your friends with it. You might not know, but I'm actually a magician. I'm David Copperfield among the cats. By the way, his real name is Kotkin. And kot means cat in Polish. So how do you start? There are a few things you need. First, you will need an assistant who will know how the trick works and will help you with it. You will of course need a car to perform this trick and at least one leg. And most importantly, audience. This trick doesn't work without the audience, you will know why in a moment. So how to do the trick? Let's say you're with your friends. First, you need to pick the victim. I mean the participant. Ignite his curiosity, tell him you can shove your leg into the car's exhaust pipe, and you've already done it a few times before. Your assistant should help you with this. They should say something like,
"It's true, I didn't believe it myself until I saw it. I can even do it myself now."
Offer them to show the trick and go look for the car. Don't pick the first car you see, look closely at the exhaust pipe, examine it, and say it won't work with this one. That will make them think you're actually serious and there's really some kind of trick to this. There's also another reason to do it, but more about it later. Okay, so you found the right car. Say it will probably work with this one.
That'll do, pig.
Tell your assistant to cover the victim's eyes. He must do it with his hands, but don't say it out loud. He should also do it quickly and leave no time for the victim to oppose it. If they do, tell them there's no magic if they know how it's done, and that good magician doesn't reveal his tricks. For free at least. Insist on it cause this is crucial to the whole trick. Okay, let's say everything went smoothly. Your partner is covering the victim's eyes and you're ready to work your magic. Here's the plot twist. You're not actually gonna put your leg into the car's exhaust pipe. Are you an idiot? That's impossible. What you gonna do instead, is smear your fingers with the exhaust pipe soot. You may know where this is going by now. If there's someone else observing the trick, do it in a way they won't see. Spend some time pretending to actually try to do it legit. After that, go back to your assistant. Tell them to try it instead of you, and you will cover the eyes of the victim. Good job. If everything went right, you're covering your friend's face with your black fingers and they have no idea about it. Now you just need to play it cool. Before you take your hands from the victim's face, your assistant should explain the situation and convince others to stay silent using gestures like dirting his finger with soot, showing it to the audience, and pointing at you. Hopefully they can put two to two together. When they have done that, they should kneel near the exhaust pipe and say they can't do it. That's why you didn't choose the first car. It was to incept the idea the trick can fail. Now you can take your hands of your victim's face. People gonna laugh, but hopefully you can push it onto the failed magic trick. Now it's just a matter of how long you can keep him clueless. It gets funnier the smugger they're about your failed trick. 2 things to keep in mind. First, choose carefully the person you want to try this trick on. If they can't take a joke, don't do it. The point of it is to have fun, not to bully. Second, watch out not to dirty the victim's nose. There's a possibility they will notice it.